Building an online business can be a ton of fun, but it is a lot of work. And that's why it's really awesome to have a tool, a platform like Kajabi, where everything for your business is in one place so that you can focus on doing the things that you do best, which is probably making content that makes an impact and draws people to you as an expert, as a brand creator, as a content creator, and working with and serving your customers. Kajabi takes care of literally everything else, which is what makes it so fun. There's so many pieces to the online business puzzle, and Kajabi is where all those pieces come together. It's nice to have an all-in-one business platform like this because it simplifies the process and makes this fun for you. This is why I've put together this brand new playlist called Kajabi, the best place for your online business. I wanted to put in one place, in one playlist, everything you need to know about why and how Kajabi is so vital and helpful to you and your online business. And if you're thinking about moving your online business to Kajabi, or you're on Kajabi and you're just wanting to know how does this all work and what can I do, what's possible on Kajabi, this playlist will walk you through everything. We're going to start with, I'm going to show you at the beginning how I'm using Kajabi to build $1 million business. It's my goal to grow my annual business revenue to $1 million, to 7 figures by the end of 2025. And I'm on track to do that. And I'm doing that on Kajabi, and I'm showing all of my journey here on this YouTube channel. Then we're going to go into the 3 amazing benefits of an online business. This is just kind of showing you the bigger picture. I think sometimes we can get lost in the weeds of building a business and we forget that there are some amazing benefits to having an online business. And we dive into that and I show you how all that works on Kajabi, like how Kajabi enables me to have an amazing online business. Then we're going to look at what you could do in 3 months. Sometimes it's really helpful to look out and say, between now and 90 days from now, what could I accomplish? How far along could my business be if I really focused for the next 3 months? Then we're going to talk about if you're starting your online business on Kajabi, do this. Like if you're starting from scratch, here's what you do first. That can be really helpful to you if you're just jumping on. Then we'll look into this really fun video that I had so much fun making, and that is this: how to make business growth inevitable. How is it that you can make it so that your business continues to grow month after month, year after year, and that growth is inevitable? In other words, it's going to happen pretty much no matter what. Then we're going to talk about how you don't have to be an expert. There's a lot of this idea that to be an online business owner, to be a content creator, to be someone who sells online courses, that you have to be an expert. And being an expert scares a lot of us off because we look at ourselves and we say, I'm not necessarily an expert, but I know about this and I can teach it and I've helped people. That's really all it takes. And in that video, I talk about why you don't have to be an expert in order to crush an online business. And then this video was a lot of fun and I think it's just going to be inspiring. I was actually on vacation in Florida, and my online business on Kajabi was making more money for me that month than any month prior. I was actually a record-breaking month, and I was on vacation for a lot of the month. So I talk about that in there. And then this video is how generosity will grow your business. It's actually a little bit counterintuitive, but the more generous you are, the more you give, the more you actually receive in your online business. And then the number one most important part of your success in online business. This video is all about the number one thing that you have to master and that you have to do in order to have success. And I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're just going to have to get to that point in the playlist and watch it for yourself. And then finally, how to plan next year for your online business. And whatever time of the year you're watching this, could be middle of the year. The point is, how do you plan a 12-month period of time for your online business? What are your goals going to be? What is your content going to look like? All of that is there. So in this playlist, we're walking through all of that. It's going to be tons of fun. And you will see by the end of this that Kajabi is the best place for your online business. If you want to jump into Kajabi right now or after checking out this playlist, use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get a 30-day free trial. Check it out. See if you like it for 30 full days. You also get a 45-minute one-on-one Zoom call with me where we can talk about Kajabi, talk about your business, and how you can get the best possible start on this platform. It's really fun to do those 45-minute one-on-one calls, and I can't wait to do one with you when you use my link. You'll also get my $25,000 course launch email template that will show you exactly how to launch your course and make a big old pile of money when you do. So I want to give you all of that as a way to say thank you for using my link, because it is an affiliate link. So when you use it, I do get a small commission at no additional cost to you. So I appreciate it very much. So if you are in the playlist, just keep watching to the next video. And if you're not in the playlist, you can click right here to jump into this playlist and watch through each one of these videos that we talked about, and hopefully answer this question and give you a good idea of what you should do next. So jump right in there in that playlist, and I'll see you on the inside, and we'll talk more about Kajabi.